Hi, my name's Mark with Finish First, and today I want to show you 5 new solution-based kits available at AutoZone. What's great about these kits is they have everything you need for the repair while following 3 easy steps: prep, fill, and sand. Today we're going to show you how to fix this fiberglass tonneau cover with our multi-purpose Fiberglass Repair Kit. I've already cleaned the cover with soap and water. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the prep wipe to clean the area before I start sanding. Start with the 80 grit sandpaper and the micro zip to strip and dish out the repair area. Switch to the 180 grit sandpaper to remove all the 80 grit scratches and feather back the edges. Now clean the area with the prep wipe. Tear off several pieces of the fiberglass about the size of the repair area. Take 1 pouch of fiberglass resin and mix it with 24 drops of hardener. Use the stir stick to mix the 2 components. Use the brush to saturate the repair area. Place a piece of fiberglass on the repair area and saturate the fiberglass with the resin. Continue to layer on the fiberglass and the resin. It's best to use a dabbing motion to saturate the fiberglass. Now that the fiberglass is cured, start sanding with 80 grit. Sand to the contours of the body. Now we're going to switch to 180 grit to eliminate all the 80 grit scratches. Finally, switch to the 320 grit to eliminate all the 180 grit scratches. Once you're done with 320, you're ready for primer. You can also use an optional finishing glaze for a smoother finish. Be sure and check out our other awesome solution-based kits. For more tips and tricks, visit our website at gofinishfirst.com and subscribe to our channel.